looking up here in the back, and today I got the purple iPhone. It's purple. I'm not sure if it's lilac, purple, violet. I also picked up the full spring cases, as you see. These full spring cases. So not only am I gonna unbox this purple iPhone, I'm gonna try all these cases on, and I'm gonna put the cases on this iPhone also. So let's unbox it, talk about it, review it. I got goals today, you got goals today. Throw them threes up for your boy. Alright, so this is the iPhone 12. This is the purple edition. This is actually a special edition that came out 6 months later after its release. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright, here it is. Alright, so you got the purple iPhone itself. It looks purple. Next, we got the lightning charge, as we guys know. USB Type-C in, a lightning cord in, which is pretty nice. It means you get that fast charging. You already know you got your pen, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna lie, very disappointed. I wish it came with more. It no longer comes with headphones, nor does it come with the outlet. So, yep, just the phone itself. As you guys already know, this is the Pro, and this is the iPhone 12. Not really much difference, honestly. I'm quite surprised that they're pretty much the same, except for this has better material versus this. This has the cheap plastic back, while this has this organic metal material, whatever this material is. Alright, so now we got the cases. So this is actually the Capri Blue case. The next we got the purple case, the Amethyst, Aspiratic. We got the purple case right here. Next we got this lime green, but it's really called Pistachio, Pistachio, lime green, okay? Then we got the Cantaloupe case. Yeah, it's actually called Cantaloupe. It says Cantaloupe. Also, you got the navy blue. what do you guys think about this whole video? I do like all these colors. I think the purple one is the best one. I really like the purple one. I like it on both phones actually. Now the blue, I give it second place. I like the blue. It's a nice solid color. Third, I give it to the lime green. The lime green is not that bad. It's pretty dope. I feel like this, you can actually do a lot of things with it. I don't think it's a bad color. I would put it at a second, but the reason I put it at a third, because lime green, like what can you really like do with this lime green? And lastly, I gotta give it to this Cantaloupe. Like the camera's not even doing this justice, so that's like one bad part. All right, here's probably the best color for it, like right here. See, it's like sand pink, like it's like a very light pink. At the end of the day, all these cases are good. They're nice cases. All right, guys, this was an easy video. It wasn't bad. All right, guys, so what do you guys think about the iPhone, the purple one? Are we getting this or nah? Let me know. It's not a bad color. I think it's a nice color. And also, hey, it's an entry-level phone. You guys should get it. 5G, dope camera, decent battery life. All right, guys, this is Devin. I'm out. Throw them things up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. I hope I helped you out and let me fill a case.